Hey everyone, welcome back to Nature Connection. Today, we want to talk about something counterintuitive, something that goes against the constant barrage of go, go, go in our lives. We want to talk about the power of doing nothing.
But take a look around. We are constantly bombarded with messages telling us to be productive, to achieve more, hustle harder. We fill our days with to do lists, appointments, calendar invites, and screens. We are constantly chasing goals, chasing something which we feel would give us happiness. But are we truly ever achieving it or catching it? I often wonder if, in this relentless pursuit of constantly doing something, or keeping ourselves busy, we are missing something very, very fundamental.
This constant busyness comes at a cost. Stress, anxiety, burnout, these are just the tip of the iceberg. We neglect our health, our relationships, even our own inner peace. We become disconnected from ourselves and our surroundings. But what if the key to happiness wasn't doing more, but being more? What if true fulfillment lay not in achieving, but in simply existing? Here in the quiet of the forest, to, it's easier to hear the whispers of what we drown out. The chirping of birds, the rustling of leaves. These sounds aren't just the background noise, they are a symphony of nature, inviting us to slow down, to listen, to simply be.
Doing nothing is not about laziness, it's about giving ourselves permission to pause, to breathe, to reconnect ourselves with the natural world. It's about stepping off the treadmill and stepping into the present moment.
Studies show that even brief moments of pause and stillness can have profound benefits. Reduce stress, improved focus, increased creativity, a deeper connection to nature. These are a few gifts that await us when we choose to do nothing. So take some time, sit back, relax today or tomorrow to simply be yourself. Find a corner in your home, a park, bench, or a patch of grass. Sit, listen, breathe. Allow yourself to exist just as you are in this beautiful, ever changing world.
Remember, true happiness isn't found in achievements, but in appreciation. Appreciate the present moment, appreciate the world around you, and appreciate the gift of simply being. Until next time, take care of yourself and take care of nature. Thank you so much.
Thank you.